The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has approved an increase in ATM withdrawal charges starting May 1. This means customers will now have to pay more once they exceed their free withdrawal limit. Under the new rules, customers will be charged ₹19 per withdrawal, up from ₹17. Similarly, checking your account balance at an ATM will now cost ₹7 per transaction instead of ₹6. The new charges will apply only after customers cross their free transaction limit. Currently, the limit is 5 free transactions per month at other banks' ATMs in metro cities and 3 transactions in non-metro areas. This move is expected to impact frequent ATM users. Stay informed and plan your transactions wisely.